Welcome to our next class, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, that is decimal fractions. So we'll start with exercise 5.1. Write in words. First question, write in words. So children, all of you are familiar with this, how to write. This is part 1 and how to write it in words. 16.23. You know that after the decimal you can't combine the digits. Separately you have to write. So before the decimal 16.23. So same thing I wrote here. Now the next question, before the decimal it is 103.005. So this way you will read it. 103.005. Next is 27.075. Okay, 27.075. So remember, after the decimals separately you have to write the digits. You can't write them collectively. Clear? Second question, children. Write each as decimal. These are the fractions and you have to write them as decimals. So children, what is the criteria of that? 7 by 10. What you have to do? Numerator and this is denominator. You have to write numerator as it is. What is numerator? 7. I wrote it as it is. Now you see how many zeros are there in the denominator? There is 1 zero only. So you have to leave one digit. And after that you will put decimal. Clear? So the number will become 0.7. Same thing. Write numerator as it is, 361. Now count the number of zeros in denominator, 1, 2, 3. Now leave 3 digits. Start from here, 1, 2, 3 and then you will put decimal here and then 0. Next children, this is different kind of sum. Already one decimal is there. So for your convince, to make it easy for you, what I'll do? Remove decimal. What is there? 100. Clear? When you will remove decimal from here, after the decimal, how many digits are there? There is only one digit. So 10 will come down when you will remove. Clear? After the decimal only one digit is there. So when you will remove it, one more zero will come down. Now see children, numerator as it is. Count the number of zeros in the denominator, 1, 2 and 3. Now leave 3 digits. 1 is already there, 1, 2, 3 and then comes decimal. So it will become 0.005. Clear? Yes, next is a mixed fraction. So I change this mixed fraction into simple fraction. 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 10. Now same procedure children. We will write numerator as it is, 13. Now count the number of zeros, that is 1. So leave one digit, it is 1.3. Clear? Now change this mixed fraction. 75 into 100 is 7500. 7500 plus 45 is 7545 upon 100. Now same procedure, write the numerator as it is. Count the number of zeros, 1, 2. Now leave 2 digits, 1, 2 and then put decimal. Always start from the last. Next is 1739 by 1000. 17 multiplied by 1000 is 17,000. Look here, it will become 17,000 plus 39. So when you will add it, what you will get? 17039 upon 1000. Now what you have to do? Write the numerator as it is. Count the number of zeros, 1, 2, 3. So we have to leave 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3 and we will put here decimal. Clear? Next is write as mixed fraction. So see children, very important question. What you have to do? This is the given question. Before the decimal, what is given to you? 3. Write it as it is because this is a whole number. Then after the decimal you are given 54. Okay. Count the number of digits. 2 are there. So what will come here? 100. Okay. So this can be written in this way also, or you can cancel them also because 54 and 100 can be cancelled with the table of 2. Here we'll get 50 and here cut it with 2. 2 2s are 4. 27. So fraction can be written as 327 by 50. Let's do next one. Write the whole fraction as it is, 3 as it is. Then what is after the decimal 008? That means 8 only, because before the number if 00 is there, that doesn't have any value. So here you will get 1000, because after the decimal how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So 1000 you will get. Now you can see children, 8 and 1000 you can cancel with the table of 2. Here will come 4. Here will come 500. Then again 4 and 500 can be cancelled with the table of 2 again. 2 2s are 4. Cancel it. 2 2s are 4. 1 left over here, 250. So this can be written as 3 2 over 250. Further children, 2 and 250 can be cancelled. 1, it is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 5. So this can be written as 3 1 over 125. This way you can write it. Or if you write answer up to here also, that full marks will be given to you. Next is 18 is the whole fraction. Then after the decimal 15, count the number of digits after the decimal. 1, 2, 3. So what will come down? 1000. Now children, we can see 15 and 1000 can be cancelled with the table of 5. 5 3s are 15. Now cut it with 5. We'll take 10. 5 2s are 10 and then 200. Now 3 and 200 can't be cancelled. This is in the lowest form. So your answer is 18 3 by 200. This is your answer. Next is children 33 whole fraction. Then after the decimal 8, count the number of digits after the decimal 2. So here will come 100. Now cut it with the table of 4. 4 2s are 8 and 25 4s are 100. What is the answer? 33 2 over 25 is the answer. You have to write a place value of underlined digit. So all of you know children, after the decimal what are the place values? After the decimal, first digit is 10th place, then 100th place, then 1000th place and so on. Now 3 is at which place? 100th. So the place value of 3 is 3 by 100. Clear? Now come here. C part. What is the place value of 6? That is 10th. So how to write it? 6 over 10. Now next question. What is the place value of 8? 10th, 100th and 1000th. So it will be written as 8 over 1000. What is the place value of 1? That is 10th. So it will be written 1 over 10. Fifth question. Write in expanded form. So children, your first step is to write the place values. Before the decimal, how to write the place value? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. After the decimal, 10th and then 100th and then 1000th, 10,000. So as 2 is on ones place, before the decimal we multiply, plus 0 doesn't have any value, so leave it. Then 5 is on which place? 100th. So how it will be written? 5 by 100. This is the expanded form. 3 is on which place? Ones place. So before the decimal we multiply with the place value. 7 is on 10th place. So it will be 7 over 10. Plus 5 is on 100th place. 5 over 100. Plus 2 on 1000th place. 2 by 1000. This is the expanded form. Now 0 is on ones place. Doesn't have any value. 2 is on which place? 100th. So how it will be written? 2 multiplied by 100 plus 1 is on 10th place. So 1 multiplied by 10 plus 0 doesn't have any value. 0 doesn't have any value. 1 is on 100th place. So 1 by 100. 7 is on 1000th place. So 7 by 1000. Clear? So this question 1 is on 10th. So 1 multiplied by 10. This 1 is on 1's place. 1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 by 10 plus 1 is on 100th place. 1 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. So children, we'll continue in the next video. Your homework up to question number 5 you have to try all the parts and I hope you all will do. Thank you.